without dress also it's fine. When we tried to kiss, it was a bit.
Hi, today I am at Just Street asking girls for their opinion on first date. So let's see the opinions. You're talking to a guy for a while and he was about to ask you for a date. So how should he approach you so that you can say no to him?
Oh, so that he should say no to.
No, sorry. You can't say no to him. So how should he approach you? How should he ask you for a date so that you can't say no to him?
I don't know because I already have a boyfriend.
No, even though when you are in dating stage or somewhere, that kind of. Any suggestion?
No suggestions. Yeah, because it happened as a flow, so not particularly.
Like how your boyfriend approached, like how he asked you about it. First date actually.
Not. He didn't ask like exactly to ask for a date. It just happened. He was like, "Chalo, let's go for a trip," and then slowly. Yeah. He should be genuine. That's it. I can feel if he is genuine or not. So yeah, that's it.
Like some line he want to say, something like that.
I don't know. I've never dated somebody in my life, so I really don't know.
Never went on a date.
Never. He can be very dressed well and come and with the cute talks and all.
No.
Kind-hearted.
Kind-hearted.
Yeah, I mean if he's sweet enough. Yeah.
Like nothing like that. I am a guy. I want to ask you for a date. How should I approach you? So that you can't say no to me.
Very kindly.
That's what way he's asking?
What way? Like
Sentence wise.
sentence wise, some lines.
I think you're really pretty. I would like to take you on a date. Very formal.
Very formal.
Yeah.
So that you can't say no to him.
Yeah, probably.
For you?
Same thing.
What's the first thing you notice about a guy when you are on a date? Dressing sense. For you?
Same thing, dressing sense.
Dressing sense.
His bike.
Bike.
Yeah.
Nice. Bike. Of course. Why not?
Lord.
Hair.
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 Oh my god. I've never been on a date.
Maybe you are.
Even I had one boyfriend. So yeah. I always used to notice. I don't know, like girls say like the most attractive part about a boy is their that hands and all veins part, but for me it's the neck part. I just noticed that part. I feel that is very big.
For you?
She didn't even have a single boyfriend in her whole life.
झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है, शर्म नहीं आती.
What do you think is a red flag in a guy you are on a date? Like totally red flag. If he do some activity or if he wears something which is totally red flag for you.
He's just unsure about what he's doing. His haircut?
Haircut.
It's red flag. It's
Red flag, huh?
Maybe if he's just unsure about what he's doing.
His shoes.
His shoes.
Yeah.
Should be clean or?
Yeah, it should be kind of attractive.
Okay. Boys.
Constantly talk about his best friend, female best friend.
Female best friend.
Yeah. It's a red flag.
ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Like something red flag.
He should not be rude.
ರೂಡ್
No.
ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದು ಆಗ್ಲೇಬಾರ್ದು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು. What do you prefer a guy should wear on your first date? And what should he avoid wearing?
It should be formal.
Formals.
Formal, not too dressed or not underdressed.
Simple. I'm okay. However, if you dress without dress also it's fine. I'm okay with that.
If he comes in bike, that's enough.
Yeah.
देखो दरिंदगी चेहरे से टपकती है. नंबर 1 का कमीना. छी आंखें देखो, नीयत में खोट साफ नजर आता है, हवस से भरी हुई.
Formals.
You should not wear formals.
ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ
Like ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? ಏನ್ wear?
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಶರ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶುಯಲ್
Casuals. Okay.
avoid to must be skinny jeans.
jeans.
Yeah, it's very
That is a big no.
it's big no.
Skinny jeans and t-shirt.
Yeah. I just don't like it. And
What should he wear?
what should vintage kind of things like like I can't explain. I don't know, like vintage type of
Vintage type of.
yeah.
Okay. what's your opinion on splitting the bill on a first date?
It's okay. Like I feel if I'm going on a date, I don't know. I'm a kind of person. If I'm dating somebody, he's my husband, my everything. So it's like his money is mine and mine is his. So it's like we can give, or like if he wants to give, he can. If I was to like, so
For
I,
you?
Yeah, same.
Same.
It's good. I mean,
good.
anything is good.
Anything?
If he pays, or we pay, or
If you ask me to pay also, it is fine.
Yeah. But he doesn't let me.
No, I don't mind.
I don't know. You?
I can pay. Not
Can
a
pay.
problem.
If it is too much, I will pay. If it is
Splitting, not only you have to pay, splitting half off. What attracts you to a guy when you are on a date? Like, a noticeable attract ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ on a date actually.
The way he speaks to us.
Gesture.
Yeah.
You already told it. His shoulder.
yeah,
For you?
Never been.
never been on a date. That's the thing.
His way of speaking,
Yeah,
Way
exactly.
of speaking.
approaching.
The gestures.
Yeah.
Yeah, gestures.
For you?
Look. His look.
Look. Her taste is very different. ಇದು ಬೇರೆದಿದೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಹೌ ವುಡ್ ಯು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಡು ಯು ಸೇ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ನೋ
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫುಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ
ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡು ಯು ಸೇ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ if he asks you for a candlelight dinner, do you say yes or no?
I don't want to spoil our friendship, so I think it's a no. Though I don't have any male friends, we in Bangalore we two are roaming everywhere, so we are best friends. We are staying together also.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Male best friend? No.
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 No. What's the weirdest or funniest thing that has ever happened to you on a date? Date.
ವಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Memorable. Okay.
ಹಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ತಿಂತೀನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ತಿನ್ನೋ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರು,
ನಾಚಿಕೆ
ನಾನು
ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಅಂತ.
like ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಬ್ರು ಮೆನು ನೋಡೋದು.
Yes.
ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Never been on a date. I'm a bit shy.
Me too.
You know, we decide to shift a place, okay, but suddenly someone comes and sit out there. So it's very weird, I feel.
Thank you for your time. Like, we have a YouTube channel. You can somewhere you went with your boyfriend or
Okay, fine. So it's our first date, and eventually we tried kissing, but actually, like, he had some feeling in his mouth, and so when we tried to kiss, it was a very awkward moment because I can like smell those things. So it was like, it was weird.
it was very bad.
Yeah, that was very bad experience. Though it was my first kiss, so it was a no, big no for me.
Not say anything. You are singles.
Yeah.